So I have my acrylics already on, and they're a couple days old, so that's why you can see some growth, but I still wanted to decorate them, design them, so let's get started. I'm going to be going ahead and taking this cute little designer tape and adding a diagonal look to my nails. So where is the opening? Take a scissor. Okay, so all of these items are from the Dollar Tree except for the nail color that I picked out. This is a reflective gel that kind of looks like this color, and I got this from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding this tape from the Dollar Tree. This is a little striper gold tape, and I want to do like a diagonal design. All right, so let's cut off a piece first. All right, and then we're gonna take this, put it here lower because we're gonna put another one at the top, and we're gonna cut that off, the excess amount, and you're gonna press that down. I'm gonna take another one, and yeah, you could find this at most Dollar Trees, at least in my area. I find them almost everywhere, so I hope you have luck finding them. All right, so then we're gonna grab the other one and put it like on the top of that one, straighten it out, keep it diagonal. Okay, and I'm gonna cut the excess off again, push it down. All right, and then I'm gonna take this top coat, a gel top coat, and secure it. Grab a little more. Make sure you're getting the sides so that it actually adheres. Okay, then I'm gonna add that into my Cure Sky lamp to cure it for at least a minute. You can flash cure it, just hold it in place as well for 30 seconds. I'm gonna remove with the nipper a little bit of that excess. This is actually from the Dollar Tree as well, the nipper. This is really good for removing stones after, so when you're ready to remove your design, you can grab this and it takes them off easy as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the pointer and the ring finger. Press down, make sure that it's pressed down on the sides all the way. And I'm doing this with my left hand, which is my non-dominant, so it's not as easy as it looks when you're doing your right hand with your non-dominant. All right, so we're gonna be facing this as if it's mirroring the other side. Push it down. I'm gonna grab another. So let's remove the excess off of these sides. All right, push that down. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and close those off too with the top coat. Cure those two that we just did. Even this acetone guy here is also from the Dollar Tree. Cool, right? I'm gonna add the gel color onto the middle nail. So with this color, you guys, this one is really cute. I really like it because of the fall that we are in, the season. This color is really pretty for fall vibes, and it matches the glitter we're going to use as well. All right, so we're going to cure that. I'm going to add a second layer. And I'm going to cure that. We're gonna go ahead and close that one off and gel top coat it. secure it. All right, and I'm thinking of doing some type of French design on the pinky with the glitter, like a sugar effect. I'm gonna grab that same reflective gel and put some right here on the palette so I can just easily grab it to adhere the glitter. All right, let's grab some of that color. Let's do a French right here. It's gonna be hard with the left, but let's see what we can do. I feel like we just gotta clean that up a little bit. Grab our Dollar Tree acetone, push it down, and just even this out a little. All right, I think I like that. I'm gonna put the glitter on top of that. So let me just open the glitter up from the Dollar Tree and put it right above on top of that. Ooh, that's not too bad. Remove whatever's there. I'm gonna put it into the lamp. I really like how that's coming out. All right, put it for a couple seconds. I'm gonna remove the excess glitter. That is gorgeous. Wow, who would have thought Dollar Tree got some going on right there. That's beautiful. Okay, now to make these two a lot cuter, I think what I want to do is add these right here. So these are some little flowers. They have those little caviar beads in the middle. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add these little flowers onto this little tray to easily pick them up. Look how beautiful they look. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and take this brush on nail glue. And I'm gonna go ahead and just buff the top a little bit so that they actually stick on where I want them to. And I think, honestly, I might stick them on in the, I don't know if I should stick them on in the middle, but I kind of do want to. I think I'm gonna stick them on in the middle. So we're just buff the whole nail. This makes it more easier for the gems or the little charms to adhere better. If you don't do this, there's a good chance they may not stay on very long. Just gonna clean it with some alcohol. I actually also got this Dollar Tree wax pencil. It came in an LA Colors little kit, kind of like this, as you can see it over there. I did the butterfly, so I'll leave that in the cards up here somewhere. And I did a video using those in one of my Dollar Tree videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. So I'm going to take this wax pencil and I'm going to attempt to pick it up. And they pick up really nice because it is made out of wax. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of their glue from the Dollar Tree onto the middle right here. And I'm going to do one at a time so I don't mess this up. Let's see which one. Let's get a specific size. They're all like upside down right now. All right, so I'm gonna pick one up. So it has to be a specific side and place it right where that glue is. Ooh, that's cute. Do the same on the opposite. Then I'm gonna grab some glue and put it in the middle. And then that's where we're gonna add that little caviar bead. So that's what it looks like so far. Hopefully that glue can do something for us. If not, I'm gonna have to get some extra gel. I'm gonna add another flower towards the inner part Okay, so I added 2 smaller flowers to these 2 nails. So now what I want to do is add 2 diamonds on these. So I'm going to buff this nail right here and this nail right here. And I'm just going to add some glue there. A dot here, a dot there. Pick up one of these. I'm going to add one here. All right, we got one on that one, and so far I like it. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and get some extra gel to adhere the flowers because I'm afraid they will fall off. So I'm just gonna take this Macart gem glue just to make sure these do not come off. These, obviously you don't get this at the Dollar Tree, but if you do have some, it's better for you to use this to secure it. I'm gonna grab a little brush to kind of hug the little crystals. I'm gonna do the opposite side, and I'm just gonna go around with this little detail brush. So it doesn't come off. So I'm gonna close this up. I'm not worried about these little stones because I'm just gonna add some more top coat on top of them. Let's flash cure those that we just hugged around with the gem glue. I'm gonna take some top coat, close them all off. I'm even covering the flowers. And I'm gonna leave this one just the way it is because it looks so pretty that way. I'm gonna do a final cure for 1 minute. I'm gonna add some cuticle oil. Oh my god, they came out so pretty. Look at that. They came out so pretty. I'm very, very happy with how they came out, you guys. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you again. Bye-bye.